What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It's a new day. It's a new week. Julian's bitch ass is still in that same old chair.
I'm still a bitch.
Exactly. I'm making stickers. I'm making stickers for Never Satisfied. I have these 3 shits.
New day job.
Basically.
How proud of you can you be of somebody that says that their occupation is making fucking stickers?
Huh? What? Get it?
So how big of a fucking bitch do you have to be to have an occupation making stickers?
A big one. I just got this harness bar for my G35. Let's go ahead and install it. This should be fairly easy. I think if this one pops off, it'll be pretty much good. If it pops off, it does, and it does. Come on, pop off, you son of a bitch. There you go. Everything is possible. Let me show you how strong this Harbor Freight. Snap on who? All right, so I got both of them on. Here she is. It's just NRG. It'll match my seat. Since this little thing right here gets in the way, I'm gonna cut it so that way it can sit almost flush instead of having to take off the whole panel. All right, let me show you guys how I did it. Oh, fuck. Okay. This is not going as smooth as the other side. I'm instead cutting up the... you son of a bitch! Okay. Okay. I got it, you guys. I got it. It's okay. That'll be fine. A little bit of Bondo. Alright, now that we got it pretty flat, this one could go in here. It doesn't need the seatbelt because the seatbelt's bonked anyways. Yeah, like that. This one, the seatbelt needs to go back on because I still carry passenger princesses. Alright, so everything's in nice and neatly. So now let's go ahead and tighten everything up. Alright, cool. Now everything's on. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Hell yeah! My favorite part about this whole thing is like everything's almost like hidden. Especially this side is pretty cool. On my other car, we had to cut all this up and it looked ugly. But this is pretty cool now that it's on. It looks OEM as fuck. Alright, guys, that was that for... Goddamn, big ass ears. Guys, that was it for the Build It with Benny. I don't know what I'm saying. Peace out. See you in the next one. Yeah, I could hear it right behind. I was like, this is not 240. It's not a regular 240. This has something special. Oh yeah. That's what's up.
Shit's crazy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was right behind it. I was like, this no 240 sounds like this. Like that's sick, though. That's sick. I like that.
Nice. Tight.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't know that was yours. Damn. I like how you did it.
Yeah. Thank you.
It stands out from everybody else. Everybody's probably jealous.
Yeah. Couldn't come over here while I was selling, but I saw these 2 dope ass. Jeez, holy fuck. What the fuck? Bruh, this is a whole different, another level. This shit is dope as fuck, though. Shit. Holy fuck. This shit. Another one. Holy fuck. These are true fucking tuners. Hell yeah. This shit is sick as fuck, bro. The right-hand drive Jeep. Yeah, boy. Alright, guys, it is time for me to dip on out of here. Let's get out of here. I had my fun, but it's time for me to bounce on out of here. Oh, hold on, let me adjust this guy. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, I'm back at the shop. I came to drop everything off. The meet went great overall. I gave out a whole bunch of those decals just to promote the business. So I'm happy that went pretty good. It went really well. I didn't get much of it just because I'm busy. So yeah, Julian's out there wrapping a car. Let's go out there and see how he's doing. Julian, my boy. Squeak, squeak. Hey, you're gonna break that fucking stool, bro. Fuck off that shit.
Fuck you, fucker.
While Julian's out there fucking up the car, I'm gonna go ahead and try to wrap my badge with this carbon fiber left over. See how it works. Sheesh, and just like that, bro. This shit came out clean. Better than any fucking job Julian has done. We're back with the S2000. We're back with the S2000. This time we're gonna be working inside the engine bay. We're gonna be working inside. No, for real, this time we're gonna see how far I can get. I'm gonna sand as much as I can down, and then I'm gonna cover everything up that needs to be covered up, wash it down, make sure it's dry, good to go, and then I'm gonna see if I can primer. If I'm able to primer, we'll be good. I mean, we'll be like more than halfway there. We'll be more than halfway there. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, you guys. So I am done with the masking. I am done with the sanding. I am done with the sanding. Now it's time to cover up the holes and cover up what I do not want to get painted. For instance, those hose, lines and stuff like that. So it was quite a while of my back is hurting. It was quite a bit of sanding, a lot of sanding. This is the best I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna get super into it, but so yeah, let's get right to masking everything off. All right, so I got it masked off completely. What worries me is the wind. As you guys see, it's pretty good wind. I'm gonna give it a test run on this side, see how it goes, and if the wind is causing an issue, I'm gonna stop and I'm not gonna be able to continue, but let's give it a go. You guys, the S2000 came out really good. I'm really happy how it came out so far. The next step is painting it the color. I'm still debating on what color I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna paint it more likely probably white. Not 200% sure yet, but white's gonna be the one. But for now, we are done with the S2000. Let's continue on with the vlog. All right, guys, what is up? We're back in the shop. I almost forgot. I was almost about to do an intro on an outro, but we're back at the shop. We finished up with the S2000. The engine bay is coming out good so far. I already found the white that I'm going to be shooting in there. I'll either be doing that in the next week or two. Still not 100% sure what I'm going to do it, but in the next week or two. But other than that, you guys, I really want to show something really cool that Julian did this past week, which really cool. Let me show you. So he went ahead and set this front for Never Satisfied brand clothing and JDM accessories, which is really cool. We also have it on the other side window over here. You can see it. It is right here. It's over here. There's a guy smoking over here, so I don't want to. But it's on the other side right there. And right here, which is really cool and awesome. But other than that cool little thing that Julian did for us, set out display on the windshields, on the front windows of the shop, Never Satisfied. Really cool. That's that for this, you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate you if you stayed this long in the video. Thank you. Thank you very much. Peace out. See you in the next one.